How you doing, everybody? Today we're going to be doing another one pot wonder meal, and it's going to be cabbage rolls in our one pot. And right now I've just got the first stages going on. I'm still doing prep work, and right now we're browning about a pound of hamburger and a half a pound of sweet Italian sausage. So that's what we're going to start off with. Now for the hamburger and the sausage, what I normally do, my favorite spices to put with beef and pork are salt, pepper, just regular ground pepper, ground mustard, garlic powder, and onion powder. Looks like all the pink is just about gone in it, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this off and set it off to the side. Now on medium heat, right in the same pan with the same fat left over from the sausage and the hamburger, I'm going to put one sweet onion. I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic and about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now, since this is just about to start caramelizing, I'm going to throw in about a decent handful of matchstick carrots. Now that we've got the onions just about caramelized, we're going to take these out and put them in with the meat mixture. I'm going to mix all that up together. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of rice. This is a great meal for using up some leftovers if you have them. Add a little bit of tomato sauce, and that is going to be our mixture to go in the cabbage rolls. Now that we've got our mixture made, we're also going to have this, and this is just the remainder of that can of sauce and a can of diced tomatoes and another tablespoon of garlic. So the way we're going to do this in the one pot is we're going to put a little bit of the sauce in the bottom to keep it from burning. We're going to layer the leaves in at the bottom. We're going to scoop the filling. Pour a little bit more sauce in. Maybe some purple leaves this time. More of the meat mixture. And then the rest of the sauce. Okay, now I'm going to add a half a cup of beef broth. Now we put the lid on, and we got to put it on pressure. Okay, now we want to put it on meat and stew. And we want to drop that down to about 17 minutes. Okay, now we have to let it sit for 2 minutes, and then we can release the steam.
That looks yummy.
Put a little bit of a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese over the top of that.